Have you wondered what is reality? Are there parallel universes? Are we living in a multiverse? In this video, we will try to answer these questions using science, spirituality, and some common sense. Hi, I'm Shashank Verma. This channel is to help you find the best version of yourself. We have our five senses to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Now let's break that down scientifically. When we say our eyes, we can see. What exactly can we see? According to science, our eyes can see from 430 terahertz to 750 terahertz. Basically, we can see all the colors of the Vibgyor, from red to violet. Anything that's above violet, we cannot see, and that's why it's called ultraviolet. Anything which is below red, we cannot see, and that's why it's called infrared. So basically, if you look in terms of the grand scheme of things, our eyes can only see a very small fraction of the whole frequencies that are out there. Similarly, our ears can only hear from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Similarly, our nose can only detect certain types of sense. A dog's nose is 40 times more powerful than a human nose. Thus, what we can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch is a very small frequency of the infinite frequencies that are out there. To make this easier to understand, just imagine a TV with multiple channels. The same TV could be having a channel which is running comedy, which is on one set of frequency, and at the same time it could be running a channel which is a suspense thriller. What we call reality is just one set of frequencies that we can see, smell, hear, taste, and touch. There are infinite number of frequencies that we can't see or hear or taste, smell, or touch. Maybe there are different realities running on those different frequencies. Just like we have multiple TV channels. We're just in one channel, right? Because that's the only one we can see and smell and hear, taste, and touch. What if there are other universes which are running on different frequencies? For all we know, they might be right here, right now, but it's just that our mind-body complex is just tuned to the frequency we call Earth, which is on this dimension. We cannot access those other areas of reality because we are not tuned to that frequency. According to Hinduism, there are 14 dimensions of existence. There are 7 higher lokas or 7 higher dimensions and 7 lower lokas or lower dimensions. Since we are on this frequency and band, that's why those other channels and frequencies are not visible to us, just as it is on the TV set. At any point in time, you can only be viewing one channel. That's how it is. According to Nicolas Tesla, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Well, you could come back to me and say, well, what you tell me doesn't make sense because we are living in this world and it seems very solid to me. How can there be multiple universes and multiple dimensions right here, right now? Well, I have news for you. What you think is solid, is it really solid? Well, you could argue that this world is pretty solid. I can touch everything with my own hands and this feels very real to me. Well, let's look at your body. Are you really as solid as you think you are? What does your body consist of? Well, your body consists of bones, organs. Let's go one level deeper. What do organs consist of? Well, organ consists of tissues. Going one level deeper, each of these tissues consists of different cells. Each of the cells consists of atoms. Each of the atoms consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. And if you look at the empty space that is there between the electrons circling around the nucleus, well, quantum physicists and atomicists would say that 99.9999% of that matter is actually not solid, but is empty space. Thus, what you really call solid, if you look at your hand, there's a lot of empty space in there because that's the empty space between the electrons and the nucleus of the atom. In fact, Einstein famously said E equals mc squared, which is energy on one side is equal to mass into c, which is the speed of light squared. And through that equation, famously, they were able to invent the atomic bomb, where they were able to unleash the power of matter by turning matter into energy. So, what you think of the universe in terms of everything being solid, maybe it's not so solid after all. Maybe we are living in an energy soup. which basically goes back to the first question. Maybe this is what our ancestors were referring to when they said that the whole universe is just Maya, or a big divine illusion. In this channel, we'll be going deeper into this philosophy. We'll be looking at the intersection of science, quantum physics, spirituality, and really try to understand what really is reality. If you like this channel and this video, please do give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to this video. Thank you, and please be tuned for more videos around this theme.